This channel made $50,000 last month posting videos like these. No face, no voice, and they didn't film a single second of footage. In the next several minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system they use and how you can replicate it for absolutely free. But here's the catch. 99% of people mess up one critical step at the 5-minute mark, and their videos look completely AI generated. Stay until then because that's what separates 100 views from 100 million. Look at channels like this, over 300,000 subscribers, hundreds of millions of views, and every single video follows the same format, satisfying before and after transformations, abandoned pools becoming crystal clear retreats, cracked driveways turning into pristine landscapes, and the crazy part? No expensive cameras, no construction crews, no editing skills required. After analyzing dozens of viral videos and channels like that consistently hit 400 million views, I reverse engineered the exact workflow. This isn't about creativity or luck, it's a system. And today, I'm breaking down every single step using 100% free tools that anyone can access right now. Step 1 is generating your transformation idea, and there's a science to this. The secret is extreme contrast. You need to start ugly on purpose. We're talking drained swimming pools filled with algae, crumbling concrete patios, overgrown backyards that look abandoned for years. Open ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. I'll drop it in the description below. Generate 5 ultra-realistic time-lapse transformation ideas for viral content. Each idea must start with an extremely neglected or damaged state and transform into a perfect final result. Focus on outdoor renovations, pool restorations, or landscaping projects with heavy visual contrast. Pick the idea that gives you that gut reaction, the one where you go, wow, I'd watch that. For this tutorial, let's say we choose this one. Now, here's the key. You need to break this into sequential scenes. Go back to ChatGPT with this second prompt. Break this transformation into 4 detailed scenes. Each scene should describe the exact visual state, camera angle, lighting, and environment. Keep the location, framing, and perspective identical across all scenes to maintain continuity. This gives you 4 connected prompts that will create one seamless video instead of 4 random clips. Now we turn those prompts into actual footage using Grok.com, completely free with 20 video generations per day. But before you generate anything, you need to change 2 critical settings that most people miss. Click on your profile, go to Settings, and turn off automatic video generation. This stops the AI from making random decisions. Next, make sure you've selected the video option, not image, and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Now copy your first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly into Grok. Hit generate and wait about 30 to 60 seconds. Once it's done, download that clip immediately. Here's what your first scene might look like. Perfect, that's your starting point. Alright, this is the step that separates amateur AI content from viral-worthy transformations. Most people just generate 4 random clips and slap them together, and it looks terrible. The scenes don't match, the lighting changes, the camera angle shifts. It screams AI generated. Here's the secret. You must reuse the final frame of each video as the starting point for the next. This creates perfect continuity so it looks like one real time-lapse instead of 4 separate clips. Here's how you do it. For scene 2, open your first downloaded video in any video player. Scrub to the very last frame, literally the final millisecond before it ends. Right-click on that frame and select Copy Video Frame or take a screenshot. Go back to the Grok homepage and click the image upload icon. Paste or upload that final frame. Now copy your second scene prompt from ChatGPT. Paste that prompt and hit enter. Because Grok is starting from the exact ending of your first clip, the transformation will animate seamlessly from that point. The location stays the same, the angle stays the same, the lighting stays the same. It looks real. Repeat this exact process for scenes 3 and 4. Download scene 2, copy the final frame, upload it to Grok, paste the next prompt, generate, and download. By the time you're done, you'll have 4 clips that flow together like one continuous shot. That's the magic formula. Now, let's assemble everything in CapCut, which is free on desktop and mobile. Import all 4 clips and drag them onto the timeline in chronological order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4. Watch it through once. If the transitions look jarring, you can add a quick 0.2-second crossfade between clips. But honestly, if you followed the continuity step correctly, you probably won't even need it. Now for the finishing touch, sound design. These videos don't need voiceovers, but they absolutely need satisfying audio. Go to CapCut's audio library and search for construction sounds, water flowing, power washing, or ambient renovation noises. Layer in 2 to 3 subtle sound effects that match the action on screen. Pro tip, add a light whoosh or impact sound right at the moment of transformation. It gives viewers that dopamine hit. Export in 1080p or higher and you're done. One viral-ready transformation video, $0 spent. And that's the complete system. Channels are using this exact method to rack up millions of views per video. And the best part? The algorithm loves this format because the watch time is insane. People can't stop watching these transformations. If you want the exact ChatGPT prompts I'd use, I've linked them in the description below. Drop a comment and let me know what transformation you're going to create first. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps more people find the system. Subscribe if you want more zero-cost content strategies like this, and I'll see you in the next one where we're going to automate this entire process even further. Let's go.